In this video, you will learn how to create a course on Gohighlevel. Go to the Gohighlevel website and log in using your credentials. After that, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Marketing to expand the options. Then select Membership from the menu. On the membership page, click Create New button. This will be prompted to give the course a name, such as Digital Marketing 101, or choose any relevant details for your course. After that, you can start adding modules like the main section of your course. Click on the Add Module button to create different parts of your course. Within each module, you can create lessons or content. Click on Add Lesson to create an individual lesson. This could be form of text, video, PDF or other types of content. You can also use Rich Text Editor to edit text, links and any other thing. You can also add quizzes or assignments within the lesson if you want to test your students' knowledge. You can also set up rules that control who can access your course. For example, you may only want a membership only, so for people who have paid. You can access the control within the Settings tab, where you can assign the course to specific user groups and create a membership funnel. In your course, if your course is paid, you can integrate Gohighlevel's payment gateway, such as PayPal or Stripe, in the funnel or the membership settings. After setting everything up, launch your course by sharing a link to the course landing page or funnel. Use Gohighlevel email marketing or SMS tools to send out course invitations and promote it to your audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.